The Waqf Act, which governs Muslim charitable endowments, has been a topic of intense scrutiny following its recent amendments. Among the changes, the law scrapped the Waqf by user provision, which allowed properties used for religious purposes to be considered Waqf, even without formal resignation. This new law has created significant unrest among Muslim scholars, religious bodies, and political groups, with many arguing that it violates the constitution, particularly in relation to Article 25 and 26, which guarantee the fundamental right to freedom of religion. Members of Parliament, Muslim groups, and other bodies have filed petitions in the Supreme Court challenging the amendments. Despite the Supreme Court hearing petitions and expressing concerns over the law, the Karnataka government sanctioned a protest against it, which led to traffic disruptions in Mangaluru. The High Court took strong exception to this, stating that the state should not have permitted any demonstrations on an issue already under judicial review. Justice M. Nagaprasanna questioned the rationale behind allowing such protest, especially when the Supreme Court had expressed displeasure over similar protest, notably in Murshidabad. The High Court emphasized that allowing protest in this context could potentially interfere with the judicial process and compromise the ongoing legal proceedings. The state defended its decision by claiming that the protest was merely a traffic inconvenience and the police had issued an advisory to mitigate the disruptions. However, the High Court pointed out that the core issue was not the traffic disruption but the state's decision to permit a protest on a matter that was still being deliberated by Supreme Court. It raised questions about the legality of the permission granted to the protest and whether the event complied with the law, especially regarding the potential for obstruction to public order. The Karnataka High Court's intervention serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between exercising democratic rights and respecting the ongoing judicial process. The court's strict stance on the matter reiterates the importance of adhering to the principle of judicial independence and preventing external pressures from interfering with the legal system. As the case continues to unfold, it will be crucial to see how the state navigates these challenges, particularly given the significant opposition to the amendment Waqf law and its potential implications for Muslim communities in India.